I am Yogesh. See, we had completed our assembly programming. So we are starting today onward C programming. So we'll write program in C. If you not done that assembly programming till now, do it. Don't take assembly programming lightly, because that is the most closest part of hardware, and many concepts which I taught already in assembly, that I'm not going to repeat in C, that I'm not discuss. We will do the in C also, we will be writing the program, but those concept is I already discussed. Those concept I will not discussing here. So if you not done that, I will suggest you, request you, and whatever you want to say, I'm just requesting you, please go ahead, please watch previous videos, assembly, do practice, do hands-on, complete the assignment. We had given the assignment in description. You will get the assignment link, download from there, watch video, and then only you start in C. If you are directly starting, initial few video you may find interesting, but as we start going deeper and deeper, you will start thinking, oh my god, what is happening, like that. So my suggestion to you is, please watch that assembly video. So anyway, I welcome you all. So thank you for giving so much love to us, and like you shared with many of your friends, and I'm sure every one of you are getting benefited. So let's start today our session on a C programming. So first program in C we will be writing. What is agenda today? We will be writing first embedded C program, and we will also write one program, and we'll see like how it works. So we'll directly start with the key. This video going to be not very big. It's going to be a small video, because quickly writing program in C is very simple. First C program, so I given, and controller we can choose like maybe 89S52 controller, and say okay. We don't want startup file. Now we have to go here and add new item, and this time we have to choose here C. Choose C, and then you can give whatever name you want. So I given first C. That's all. Now we have to write program into C. How to write? Very simple. Just write #include #include reg51 reg51.h. Then you can say void main void, and now what? Consider you have to write program for addition of two numbers. You can say int a comma b comma c, a equal to 5, b equal to 6, c equal to a plus b. Done. That's all. Finish. Let's build it. Wow, no error. Let's debug it. Now see what happens. When we write this program is compiled, and controller is automatically generated some code from his own understanding. So he in the starting he wrote some jumping instruction, and then it so see here something remarkable thing is happened. What happened is, C compiler had seen this code, and he understand like this code is doing nothing. So he removed some of the steps he did in a compile time. What's the meaning of this? I'll show you here. See, in this place, how it converted into assembly, you can see here. In the beginning it's saying go to the 0800. So in the 0800, just 1 second, I'll reset and run. You see 08C, this is all code is generated from here. So when you write program in C, some source code will automatically generated in order to convert C program to assembly. When we are writing directly program in assembly, that time we can write the optimized code, but when it convert automatically, some extra code is coming. So but you can see ultimately what is happening, it taking 5 and it adding it, and then we got the result. So it's something like that. So it took what we done, we took 2 and then we are writing it here. Now in C language, if we want to debug, we are having the here variables in which we can run it. So if I go one step, you see it directly loading the B. What it done basically, this skill program, what it done, it optimized some of the code. How it optimized and what is optimization? What is optimization I will take little later, but how it optimized, that I am saying, you see here, you click it in this and then you can go C51 and then this one, code optimization level, that you can reduce it, you can make it 0. Okay, by default it is 8, so you make it to 0. So when you make it to 0 and then you compile, and when after that if you go in debug mode now, see now earlier we was not having these steps, so now we are having these steps also. When we are executing this step one by one, you see now A got 5, and when we move ahead B got 6, and then we are adding it up, then we got B, means 11. That's all. We can't execute further, reason being all embedded program must have infinite loop. I not wrote infinite loop, so I will not execute now. But this is how your first C program is complete. Congratulations guys. So we had completed first C program. In the next video what we are having, we will be toggling the port using, we will be toggle the port using delay and delay functions. Then we will use the general purpose LED. See, M5 board is come with 8 general purpose LED. So using port we will be toggling the LED in the next video. So all 3 program we will do together in the next video. So hope you enjoy here. Thank you for watching. Subscribe us, like us, share with your friends and help them to grow in their life. Thank you.